Hello traders, you're welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you're looking for a game-changing way to identify support and resistance with precision, then you are in the right place, okay? Because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the predictive ranges indicator, a powerful tool that provides good trading signals to help you catch key market moves with precision. Okay, so stick around because this could be a game changer for your strategy. Now, I'm going to be adding the predictive. Oh, sorry. I'm going to be adding the predictive ranges indicator to the chart right now. All right. Now, you might be wondering, why does support and resistance matter? Well, support and resistance levels are the backbone of technical analysis. All right. So as you can see, these are key areas where price tends to react, either bouncing off or breaking through. So it's either price get rejected around that zone or price breaks out from that zone. Okay. Now, identifying these zones manually can be frustrating and, let's be honest, inaccurate at times, right? So that's where the predictive ranges indicator steps in. Okay, so how does this indicator actually work? The indicator automatically detects high probability support and resistance zones, as you can see on the chart, and this eliminates the need for manual analysis. It uses advanced algorithms to scan price action, ensuring that you get real-time actionable signals without delay. So no more second guessing or redrawing lines, just pure data-driven levels that guide your trades. Now let's just quickly talk about why this tool is quite an effective tool that you might want to consider having in your trading toolkit. Okay, all right. One is the free and premium access to good signals. Okay, and it works across all markets: Forex, stocks, and crypto. So it doesn't matter what asset class that you prefer to trade, this indicator works across different assets. Okay, and it is not a lagging indicator. Okay, just precise and timely levels. You can see how it just identifies levels on your chart, and then you can trade based on those levels, right? When you are using this indicator, you know that you are trading based on price action. Well, you can also add other indicators to the chart, quite all right. And then I will recommend that you also make use of your trend lines, okay, just for additional confirmation. For example, we can see that here it identified a resistance zone. Yeah, quite all right. If you are a scalper, you would have taken advantage of that. Although this is the daily time frame, so this is not even a scalping situation. Even as a swing trader, you could have even taken advantage of this because the price got rejected and it took about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, almost a week. In fact, 1 week, because of course 1 week is 5 working days, right? So you can see it took 5 days to drop from here to here, right? So if you are a swing trader, you would have even taken advantage of this. You'd have caught this, this pullback, and of course, you'd have made a good number of pips, right? And then we had a continuation as the price got rejected around this support. We had a continuation, and we had a breakout from this point, right? And then as the price got here, it got rejected again for a little while, and then after a brief pullback, it had a breakout again, and it's going up. And now this is another resistance that it might get rejected again, and maybe you have a brief pullback and a breakout again, because currently gold is trending massively, right? It's so bullish. Gold is so bullish at the time. So you can see that these levels, have really been, kind of helpful. Yes, if you have been following it closely, confirming with candlestick patterns, chart patterns, and all of that, you would have been finding good trading opportunities. All right. So this indicator helps you refine your entries and exits for better decision making. Now, it also works seamlessly with multiple trading strategies, whether you are a scalper, a day trader, or a swing trader, right? Using the predictive range indicator is pretty simple. Once applied to your chart, it automatically highlights the most important support and resistance zones, right? So these levels give you a clear roadmap of where price is likely to react. Okay, so that helps you plan your trades with confidence. All right, helps you to plan your trades with confidence. Now ensure that even when you are trading with these support and resistance levels, that you always pay attention to risk management. Now, it is one thing to know how to do your technical analysis, and it's another thing to know how to manage your risk, right? You can be very good with your technical analysis. You can be, you know, observing your support and resistance levels, very religiously and all of that. But if you are not good with managing risk, you might still end up blowing your account. So it's important that you know how to manage your risk. Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Do not risk a high percentage of your account in a single trade. The recommended maximum is between 1 to 2% at a time, right? If you want to, manage your risk effectively, okay? And then you ensure that you always use good risk to reward ratios as well. If you want to enter a trade, you should calculate the amount you are risking and the amount you're potentially going to make if the trade goes in your direction. For example, let's say after price, got rejected at this particular resistance for a brief moment and then broke out to the upside. Let's say I want to enter a buy trade around here, right? Now, I can be considering using this support zone as my stop loss point, right below this support. And then for my take profit, I can be considering using the, because this is going to be giving me a risk to reward of about 1.2 something, right? So since the bullish trend is quite strong, I can consider using the next resistance. In this case, I'm having a risk to reward of about 2.27, right? That's 1 ratio 2.27. That is, I'm potentially going to make about, over times 2 of what I'm risking. So that's a good one, right? That's a good one. So ensure that your risks are calculated properly and that the amount you're potentially going to make is at least times 2 of what you're risking. Okay. So if you're serious about improving your trading accuracy and making better informed decisions, the predictive ranges indicator is a tool that you will not want to miss. Whether you trade Forex, stocks, or crypto, understanding key levels is essential for success. Now, do me a favor, smash that like button if you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know if you've used this indicator before or if you have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Stay disciplined, trade smart, and I'll see you in the next video.